This video primarily demonstrates the unite operation in CoProcess software. Unite combines multiple selected vectors into a single vector within the active drawing. Click Vector Edit, Advanced, Unite. In the viewport, select multiple vectors with connected endpoints. Supports uniting multiple vector groups separately to combine them into a single vector feature. Continuous uniting is supported. Uniting rules: only vectors with connected endpoints can be united into a single vector feature. Additionally, collinear straight lines can be united into a single straight line, and co-circular arcs can be united into a single arc or circle. The Unite function allows you to first select compatible vectors, then click the Unite button to complete the uniting of the selected vectors.